Hello everyone. So in today's session we will discuss all about the spin button. So here you all can see file, home, insert, page layout, but we want one more option over here which is developer. So click on file, click on options. Okay, and just click on this what you can say customize ribbon, and maybe somewhere over here you will find it. See, it is there, developer options. So click on the developer options and then press OK. So it will be over here. Okay, now click on the developer option and click on this insert and click on this spin button. Okay, and you just have to draw also something like this using the mouse, and then right click and click on the format control, and you have to link one cell. So select the first this cell for example and press OK. So now using this, okay, like for example, uh, like this, it will multiply. Why it is multiplying? Because of this formula, I5 into J5. And same way you can have one more this spin button for pencil also, like this, and then you click on format control and also you link with the second one, and then you can go ahead, like suppose increase, decrease, or something like this. So I think this is the best way to do the I don't think so multiplication, but only to increase the quantity or decrease the quantity. Okay, thank you everyone.